Welcome to this explainer. Today we ask a really big question. What is the actual future of our energy? Right now, our energy system has some big problems. But there is also a lot of hope. We will explore some real, new science today. We will also learn how to spot fake science.
Here is our clear map for today. First, we will cover the global energy problem. Next, we will look at real new battery technologies. After that, we will check out some fake science warnings. Finally, we will talk about why energy means national safety.
Okay, let's start with part 1, the global energy problem.
The year 2026 will bring a major challenge. Right now, the world uses a lot of lithium. We need this metal for our phones. We also need it for clean cars. But big banks see a big problem coming. In the year 2026, we will face a huge shortage. We will miss 80,000 tons of lithium. To put that into perspective, that is a massive amount of missing material. Because of this shortage, battery prices will go up very fast.
We also rely heavily on oil and gas. But depending on these fuels is very dangerous. Oil often comes from areas with active wars. The crisis in the Hormuz Sea proves this point clearly. Large ships cannot easily move oil through safe waters. Countries actually fight over these energy resources. This constant fighting makes our daily energy very unsafe. We really need safe power. We must learn to make this power at home.
Now, let's move to part 2, real new battery technologies.
Happily, scientists are making real progress. They are building new batteries without expensive lithium. First, they are using sodium. Sodium is just simple, cheap salt. It actually works great in cold weather. Second, they are using iron. These iron flow batteries use safe iron and water to hold power for a long time. Third, scientists use new solid-state materials. These solid-state batteries are very strong. They can charge in just 5 minutes. Even better, they do not catch on fire.
We also have new ways to catch power from the sun. A company called PXP is making flexible solar panels. These solar panels are very thin and light. They can easily bend in your hands. You can easily put them on curved car roofs. You can even wrap them around tall buildings. Mass production for these panels starts in the year 2027. This is a very real step forward for clean energy.
Let's jump into part 3, fake science and warnings.
When you see new technology, you must ask a simple question. Is this technology actually real? We often hear amazing news about magic energy. We must always be careful. Some companies just want your money. They promise impossible magic batteries. But we cannot believe every single story. Independent experts must always test these big claims first.
Let me give you a concrete example. A company named Donut Lab made some very big promises. They promised a fast solid-state battery. They claimed a high power of 400 watt-hours per kilogram. But independent experts checked their work. The truth was very different. The experts just found a normal lithium battery inside. The real power was only 298 watt-hours per kilogram. So we must always trust real expert tests.
Some people also try to sell dream fuel. They claim they can make cheap oil from just water and air. They say it costs almost nothing to make. But real science proves this is completely false. Making real fuel always takes real power. You cannot get more energy out of a machine than you put in. This simple fact breaks the basic laws of physics. We must avoid this fake magic.
This brings us to part 4. Energy is national safety.
The Japanese government really understands this energy danger. They know that buying foreign oil is a huge risk, so they created a smart plan for the future. They will mass-produce real solid-state batteries by the year 2030. They will also grow domestic battery sales 3 times by the year 2035. This long-term strategy keeps their country safe. When a nation makes its own energy tools, it finds true safety.
Our future really needs smart choices. We need cheap salt batteries, we need safe solar panels, and we must absolutely reject fake science. Smart plans protect all of us. So, I will leave you with this final thought to think about today. What energy choices will keep your country safe tomorrow? Thank you for exploring this topic with me.